Before we dive into how AI is taking over doctors and teachers, if you're interested in the future of technology, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Stay ahead of the AI revolution. The world is on the cusp of a transformative revolution, driven by the relentless march of artificial intelligence. This revolution is not just a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality that promises to redefine the very fabric of our existence. This technological marvel is poised to reshape our lives in profound ways, particularly in the fields of healthcare and education. The integration of AI into these sectors is already showing remarkable results, paving the way for a future where technology and human ingenuity work hand in hand. Imagine a future where robots perform complex surgeries with unparalleled precision, or where personalized learning plans cater to every student's unique needs. These advancements are not just theoretical, they are being implemented in pilot programs around the world, showcasing the incredible potential of AI. This is the promise of AI, a future where technology augments human capabilities and pushes the boundaries of what's possible. The collaboration between humans and machines is set to unlock new levels of efficiency and creativity. As we stand at the threshold of this new era, it's essential to explore the potential benefits and challenges that AI brings. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow, making it crucial to approach this transformation with both excitement and caution. The integration of AI into healthcare and education holds the key to unlocking unprecedented efficiency, accessibility, and personalized experiences. From early diagnosis of diseases to customized learning experiences, the possibilities are endless. However, it also raises critical questions about job displacement, ethical considerations, and the potential for over-reliance on technology. These are complex issues that require thoughtful dialogue and proactive solutions. Navigating this uncharted territory requires careful consideration and a balanced approach. Policymakers, technologists, and society at large must work together to ensure that the benefits of AI are widely distributed and its risks are mitigated. We must embrace the transformative potential of AI while addressing the ethical and societal implications to shape a future where technology empowers and complements human potential. This balanced approach will help us harness the full power of AI for the greater good. The journey ahead is one of both immense promise and significant responsibility as we venture into a world reshaped by the power of AI. Together, we can create a future where technology serves humanity, enhancing our lives in ways we have yet to imagine. If you're excited about the future of AI and want to stay updated on the latest advancements, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us for more insightful content. Join us on this incredible journey into the future. One of the most promising applications of AI lies in the realm of healthcare. The integration of artificial intelligence into medical practices is revolutionizing the way we approach patient care and treatment. Imagine a world where surgical robots guided by AI algorithms perform intricate procedures with sub-millimeter precision. These robots can execute tasks that require an extraordinary level of accuracy, far beyond human capabilities. This isn't science fiction, it's becoming a reality. Hospitals around the world are already adopting these advanced technologies to improve surgical outcomes. AI-powered surgical systems can analyze real-time data during surgery, adjusting their movements and decisions with a level of accuracy and speed that surpasses human capabilities. This real-time analysis is crucial for the success of complex procedures. These robotic surgeons are not meant to replace human surgeons entirely. Instead, they serve as highly advanced tools that extend the surgeon's reach and enhance their capabilities. The surgeon remains in control, guiding the robot and making critical decisions throughout the procedure. This collaboration ensures that the human touch is never lost in the process. AI simply provides an extra layer of precision and control, minimizing the risk of human error and improving patient outcomes. The synergy between human expertise and AI precision is what makes this technology so powerful. The benefits of AI in surgery are numerous, from reducing the risk of complications to enhancing the overall success rate of surgical procedures. The impact is profound. Robotic surgery is minimally invasive, resulting in smaller incisions, less blood loss, and faster recovery times for patients. This means patients can return to their daily lives more quickly and with fewer complications. The precision of AI-guided instruments reduces the risk of complications and improves the overall success rate of surgical procedures. This precision is particularly beneficial in delicate surgeries where even a minor error can have significant consequences. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications in areas like minimally invasive surgery, targeted drug delivery, and personalized prosthetics. The future of healthcare is bright with these advancements on the horizon. The integration of AI in surgery is just the beginning. As we continue to explore and develop these technologies, the potential to transform healthcare and improve patient outcomes is limitless. Beyond the operating room, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat diseases. This transformation is not just a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. AI algorithms excel at analyzing vast amounts of medical data, identifying patterns and anomalies that might escape the human eye. This means that conditions can be detected earlier and with greater accuracy. This capability opens up exciting possibilities for early disease detection and personalized treatment plans. Imagine catching a disease in its infancy, allowing for more effective and less invasive treatments. Imagine a future where your doctor can use AI to analyze your medical history, genetic information, and lifestyle choices to create a personalized health profile. This profile would be a comprehensive overview of your health. This profile would identify potential risk factors and recommend preventive measures tailored to your unique needs. It's like having a health roadmap designed just for you. AI algorithms can also monitor your health in real time, using wearable sensors and other data sources to detect subtle changes that might indicate an emerging health problem. This real-time monitoring can be a game changer in managing chronic conditions. In the field of drug discovery, AI is accelerating the development of new treatments and therapies. This means that life-saving drugs can reach patients faster than ever before. By analyzing complex biological data, AI algorithms can identify promising drug candidates and predict their effectiveness, significantly reducing the time and cost of bringing new drugs to market. This efficiency is crucial in the fight against diseases. AI can also personalize drug dosages based on an individual's genetic makeup and other factors, optimizing treatment outcomes and minimizing side effects. This level of precision ensures that each patient receives the most effective treatment possible. The traditional one-size-fits-all model of education often fails to address the individual needs and learning styles of students. AI has the potential to transform education by providing personalized learning experiences that cater to each student's strengths and weaknesses. Imagine a classroom where AI-powered learning platforms create individualized lesson plans based on each student's learning pace and style. These platforms can track student progress, identify areas where they need additional support, and adjust the curriculum accordingly. Students who grasp concepts quickly can move ahead at their own pace, while those who struggle can receive targeted interventions and additional practice. AI can also make education more engaging and interactive. Virtual reality and augmented reality applications, powered by AI algorithms, can transport students to distant lands, recreate historical events, or provide immersive simulations that make learning more fun and effective. Gamification elements can motivate students and encourage them to take ownership of their learning. Section 5. The AI Tutor, your ever-present guide. One of the most exciting applications of AI in education is the development of AI-powered tutors. These virtual tutors can provide students with one-on-one support and guidance anytime, anywhere. They can answer questions, explain concepts, provide feedback on assignments, and adapt their teaching style to match the student's needs. AI tutors can level the playing field by providing access to high-quality tutoring for all students, regardless of their socioeconomic background or geographic location. This can be particularly beneficial for students who struggle in traditional classroom settings or who need additional support outside of school hours. AI tutors can also free up human teachers from repetitive tasks, such as grading and providing basic instruction. This allows teachers to focus on more creative and interactive aspects of teaching, such as facilitating discussions, mentoring students, and fostering critical thinking skills. The role of the teacher will evolve from that of a lecturer to that of a facilitator and guide, working alongside AI to create a more engaging and effective learning environment. AI in healthcare is revolutionizing the way we approach efficiency, cost reduction, and scalability. By automating routine tasks, AI allows healthcare professionals to focus on more critical aspects of patient care. This not only reduces costs but also significantly improves the scalability of healthcare services, making them accessible to a broader population. Imagine a world where advanced diagnostics and personalized treatment plans are available to everyone, regardless of their location or financial status. However, the rise of AI in healthcare also brings up significant concerns about job losses and ethical implications. Many fear that automation could lead to the displacement of healthcare workers, creating a gap in the human touch that is so essential in medical care. Ethical concerns also arise regarding data privacy and the potential for AI to make decisions that could affect patient outcomes. It's crucial that we address these issues head-on, ensuring that AI is used responsibly and ethically. Looking ahead, the future of humans and AI in healthcare seems incredibly promising. AI has the potential to augment human capabilities, providing tools and insights that were previously unimaginable. This partnership between humans and AI could lead to breakthroughs in medical research, more effective treatments, and improved patient outcomes. But it's important to remember that AI should complement, not replace, the human element in healthcare. Together, we can achieve more than either could alone. As we move forward, a future shaped by AI in healthcare is not just a possibility, it's becoming a reality. The integration of AI into healthcare systems promises to transform how we diagnose, treat, and care for patients. By embracing this technology, we can create a more efficient, equitable, and effective healthcare system for all. The journey ahead may be challenging, but the potential benefits are immense. AI is reshaping our world faster than we expected. Don't miss out. Subscribe now for more mind-blowing AI updates. Drop a comment below and let us know. Do you think AI will replace doctors and teachers? Let's discuss.